Hey there, Matt here. Now, quite often we'll get asked questions of what accessories can I put into my food trailer. Now, it does depend on the food trailer. Our XL and up, so the square food trailers, obviously leave a lot more options because there's physically more space. This is our King Kong behind me, so I'm going to take you through and show you just some of the things that you can actually add in, okay? So, all this stuff is actually standard inside a King Kong, okay? So your fridges, and you can have the option of a freezer as well. Triple sinks is standard in all our trailers, so that's standard. We don't do any of this crazy stuff or add prices on later. We basically tell you what it is and say, no, a complete trailer is a complete trailer. This here is a twin head coffee machine, okay? So quite cost effective way of doing it as well. This is a pizza oven, okay? So this is something that most trailers can fit in, even the smaller round ones, and the smaller round ones can fit this in as well, okay? This is a Cold Bay Marie. So the Cold Bay Marie, okay, basically allows you to have cold ingredients in there, okay? Down here, a gas grill you can add a gas grill into. This is really only for our square trailers. You can add a oven with the 4-burner cooktop on top of it as well. Chip warmer, deep fryer. Now in the King Kong we've got double deep fryer, but you can put a single deep fryer in if you like as well, okay? Over and above that as well, Hot Bay Marie. The Hot Bay Marie is actually standard inside the actual the square trailers, except for the XL. So the Maxi Elite, the Supersize and King Kong, they're all standard, okay? Now normally we have the gas work hook up. This is our display model, but it doesn't have the gas work hooked up. So hopefully that helps you understand a little bit just some of the actual accessories they can add into your new food trailer.